Hey, John with Ocean Breezes Home Inspections here in Myrtle Beach. I just want to show you a couple things we found within the first 5 minutes of opening up a house. Haven't even really started inspection yet. Got the garage door open, wall inside rotted out. On the outside, they have their landscaping piled up against the side, so the moisture and the mulch is holding into the wood there, and of course wood rot and ants doing the rest of it. And when it came in, this door, as you can see, tight at the top, out the bottom, hinges are pulling loose. Carpet's pulled up. It's a little bit of a trip hazard here. But then I had to go out and turn the water on outside, and when I did, that spigot right there for where the washer's supposed to be was wide open. So I just got done cleaning up about an inch of water off the floors, and then I decided to turn the dishwasher on, and I haven't got that far yet because it doesn't even open, and this has been in there a long time. I just guess you gotta have the oven door open to open the dishwasher. What a crazy setup. So anyhow, these are some of the crazy things we find on a regular basis when you're looking at properties. Just sometimes they look pretty nice from the outside, and this one does. Once you get inside, you start finding some things that have not been maintained over the years. So anyhow, if you need an inspection, give us a shout. 843-251-4868. Against John with Ocean Breezes Home Inspections in Myrtle Beach. Thank you.